In this lecture, let us discuss about various applications of artificial intelligence. First one is artificial intelligence in e-commerce. So if you take this personalized product suggestions, AI looks at what you have looked at and bought before and suggests things you might really like. So it's like having a personal shopper who knows your style, making your online shopping more fun and helping you discover new things you might want to buy. Then coming to managing inventory, AI takes care of our store shelves. So it predicts how much of each product people will buy and automatically orders more when needed. In this manner, there exists an optimal balance of products, preventing excessive stock that ties up funds while also ensuring an adequate supply to prevent customers from leaving without making a purchase. Third one is dynamic pricing. Artificial intelligence dynamically adjusts pricing according to demand or marketing competition or even inventory levels, ensuring customers receive optimal value while enhancing the store's profitability. Second one is artificial intelligence in education. Here, first one is education content creation. So AI it acts as a teaching assistant for educators. So it helps them make things like quizzes or lesson plans, and even it helps in preparing study materials as well. So this makes teaching easier and better because educators have more time for students and the materials are ready. So it's like having a super efficient helper who does the paperwork, leaving teachers more time to inspire students. Then, even virtual learning assistants. So, AI is there to answer questions, explain things, and even offer help whenever students need it. It can be either day or night. So, this makes learning easier and more fun because students have someone to turn to whenever they are stuck. It also takes some pressure off teachers because AI can handle common questions, leaving more time for personalized teaching. And the third one is automated assessment and instant feedback. So AI acts like a super speedy homework checker. It looks at your assignments and tests and give you grades and feedback right away. So this aids in gauging your progress and pinpointing areas for potential enhancement. So it alleviates some of your teachers' grading responsibilities, allowing them to dedicate more time to teaching rather than paper evaluation. And then artificial intelligence in healthcare. So here it helps in detecting health problems early. So AI acts as a health detective. It looks at your health information to find out if you might get certain diseases in the future. When it sees a high risk, doctors can step in early to help you stay healthy. So, this is really important for conditions like diabetes and heart problems because catching them at this time means better treatment and less trouble for the patient. And then it is even used in personalized treatment plans. So AI looks at your health information like your genes, what happened to you before, and how you have responded to treatments. Then it makes a special plan just for you. This means your treatment works better and doesn't give you as many problems. It's like having a personalized health coach, which helps in avoiding complications caused by improperly prescribed medicine. Then it even helps the doctor see inside the body better. So AI is like a super helper for doctors when they look at pictures of the inside of a patient's body, like it can be either X-rays or MRIs. It uses smart algorithms to find things like problems, tumors, or broken bones very accurately. And it helps in developing medications quickly and cost effectively. AI here it acts like a super scientist in the lab. It uses certain algorithms to predict how different chemicals can fight diseases This helps us make new medicines much quicker and at a low cost. So people can get the treatments they need sooner and it doesn't cost as much money to manufacture them. Then artificial intelligence in business. So if you take this data analytics and insights, AI algorithms analyze large volumes of data in order to find out patterns, trends, and correlations that provide valuable insights for decision making. So predictive analytics, it uses AI to forecast future trends, customer behavior, and market dynamics, thus enable the business to make proactive strategies. So, best example for this is retail companies. They mainly use artificial intelligence to analyze sales data and predict customer demand, optimizing inventory management and supply chain operations. Then, coming to the second one, customer experience and personalization. AI enhances customer interactions through chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommendation engines that provide personalized recommendations, support, and other marketing messages. Here, natural language processing enables the AI systems to understand and respond to customer inquiries and feedback in real time. So, if you take one example for this, e-commerce platforms. So they mainly use AI-powered recommendation systems to suggest products based on customer preferences and browsing behavior. Thus increases the conversion rates. And third one, operational efficiency and automation. AI streamlines business process and automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, document processing, inventory management, and customer support. So, robotic process automation uses artificial intelligence to perform rule based tasks with speed and accuracy, thus, reduces human error and free up employees for higher value work. Best example for this is AI powered chatbots. So they can handle customer inquiries 24 by 7, improving response times and reduces operational costs for customer service departments. Next, we have financial services. So here it helps in fraud detection. So AI algorithms, they mainly detect suspicious activities and even potential frauds in real time, minimizing financial risks and enhancing security. So example is if you take bank and insurance companies, so they mainly use AI for credit scoring or for fraud prevention and personalized financial advice, improving customer trust and operational efficiency. Next, we have artificial intelligence in lifestyle. So, this artificial intelligence it is increasingly influencing various aspects of daily life and lifestyle. So, thus it is offering convenience, personalization, and efficiency. So, if you take smart home technology, so home automation, where AI powered smart devices and assistants like Amazon, Alexa, Google Home control time applications, lightning, security systems, or even temperature settings based on user preferences and patterns. And energy efficiency also. So, AI optimizes energy consumption by just adjusting heating, cooling, and lighting based on occupancy and environmental conditions. So, thus, it reduces utility costs. So, best example for this smart home technology is AI enabled smart thermostat. So it learn household routines and adjust temperature settings to maximize comfort and energy savings. Second one is health and fitness, wearable devices like smartwatches. So if you take AI powered fitness trackers or smartwatches, they monitor physical activity, sleep patterns, and vital signs. So thus provide personalized insights and motivating users to achieve health goals. And even telehealth and the wellness apps. So AI it supports virtual consultations, symptom assessment, and personalized health recommendations, and thus it is improving access to healthcare services and promoting preventive care. So examples for this is if you take AI driven apps, so they mainly analyze user data to suggest personalized workout routines, then track progress, and even offer nutrition advice to individual health needs. And the third one is personalized recommendations. So if you take entertainment, so AI algorithms they recommend various movies, music, and TV shows based on user preferences or viewing history and ratings, thus enhancing entertainment experience. So if you take shopping, even AI powered recommendation engines suggest products based on past purchases or browsing behavior, thus improving shopping convenience and satisfaction, right? So here example. So best example for this personalized recommendations is streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify. So they mainly use AI to curate personalized content playlists and recommendations, thus enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. And the fourth one is travel and transportation. So AI powered navigation apps, they analyze real-time traffic data, suggest optimal routes and estimate travel times to improve commuting and travel efficiency. Even AI enables autonomous vehicles to navigate roads safely, predict pedestrians' behavior, and optimize driving routes. So, best example for this is AI-driven travel apps, so which provide personalized travel recommendations or booking options and real-time updates on flights, schedules, and accommodations, thus simplifying the travel planning and logistics. So the last one is cultural and language translation. So if it is language learning, so AI powered language learning platforms use various adaptive algorithms to personalize lessons, assess proficiency, and provide feedback to learners. And if you take cultural understanding, so AI powered translation apps and tools facilitate communication across languages and cultures. So, best example for this cultural and language translation is we have various AI, we have AI driven translation services like Google Translate. It uses machine learning to improve accuracy and content sensitivity. So, thus it enables seamless communication in diverse linguistic settings.